Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you a super quick way to find emails older than a month in your Gmail app. If your inbox is overflowing and you need to clean up or just want to track down something important from last month, or even further back, this tip will save you tons of time. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. Make sure you're logged into the right account if you manage more than one. You'll land right on the inbox, where new messages usually flood in. Now look up at the very top of your screen for the search bar. Tap on it. This is where the magic happens. You might see a blinking cursor, and just below the search field, Gmail gives you some handy filter options to narrow your search. Find the filter labeled Date, tap it once, and a menu will pop up. This is where you can instruct Gmail exactly what you're looking for. Scroll through the choices until you spot older than a month. Go ahead and tap that option. Immediately, your inbox will refresh and display only those emails that arrived over a month ago. You'll notice the view is much less crowded, making it super easy to scroll through, spot important messages, or select multiple emails for archiving or deletion. If you want more control, Gmail's search bar supports even more advanced filters. But for most people, the older than a month tool is the fastest and simplest way to dig up those old conversations, receipts, or forgotten newsletters. Don't forget, you can use other time frames as well, like older than a week or older than a year, if you ever need them. The steps are exactly the same, just pick a different option from the date menu. Hope this helped you bring order to your Gmail chaos. If you found this guide useful, consider subscribing for more straightforward tech tutorials. Happy cleaning, and I'll see you in the next video.